Class 12 Accountancy Chapter 2 Not for Profit Organization. Sum number 14. How will the following appear in the final accounts of Marthandam Women Cultural Association? Final accounts means income and expenditure and balance sheet we can prepare. Stock of sports material 1/4/2018 16,000. Sports materials purchased during the year 84,000. Stock of sports material on 31st/3/2019 10,000. Here opening stock 16,000, purchased 84,000, then closing stock 10,000. How will you appear in the final accounts? So now we have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Income and expenditure account and balance sheet we have to prepare now. Here expenditure income. Here 2 sports material. Opening stock 16,000 and purchases 84,000. So totally 1 lakh. Then closing stock of during the year 10,000. So less. That one less 90,000. First opening stock add purchases during the year 84,000. Totally 1 lakh less closing stock 10,000. 1 lakh minus 10,000 90,000. In the balance sheet only the closing stock only enter. Closing stock of sports material that only we can enter. Now 15th sum. How will the following appear in the final accounts of Vedaranyam Sports Club? Opening stock of bats and ball rupees 3,000. Purchase of bats and balls during the year 17,000. Sale of old bats and balls 2,000. Closing stock of bat and ball 4,000. Here opening stock given, purchase and add purchases during the year, then less closing stock. What can I do? That one sale of old bats and ball. That is what sale of old sports material. By credit side we can enter in the income side of income and expenditure account. Vedaranyam Sports Club. Income and expenditure account. Here expenditure income. 2 stock of bat and ball. Opening stock 3,000 and purchases during the year 17,000. So 20,000 less closing stock 4,000. 16,000. Here sale of old bat and ball 2,000. This one appear in the income side of income and expenditure account. By sale of old sports material 2,000. Here only closing stock only in the balance sheet. Closing stock only we entered. Closing stock how much? 4,000. Closing stock of bat and ball rupees 4,000. 16th sum. Show how the following items appear in the income and expenditure account of Sirgali Singers Association. Sirgali Singers Association. Stock of stationery on 1/4/2018. That means opening stock 2,600. Purchase of stationery during the year 6,500. Opening stock add purchases during the year. Then stock of stationery 31st/3/2018. That means closing stock of stationery 2,200. First stock opening stock, then add purchases less closing stock. Now we prepare the income and expenditure account of Sirgali Singers Association. Sirgali Singers Association. Income and expenditure account. Expenditure income. Here 2 stationery. Opening stock 2,600. Add purchases during the year 6,500. So totally 9,100. Less closing stock 2,200. 9,100 minus 2,200 6,900. Now 17th sum. Chennai Tennis Club had match fund showing the credit balance of 24,000 on 1st April 2018. Fund, match fund, tournament fund, that also capital receipts. So we have to write it in the balance sheet of liability side. Here, match fund credit balance of 24,000. Then receipts to the fund during the year. How much receipts? 26,000. Match expenses incurred during the year 33,000. How this item will appear in the final accounts of the club for the year ended 31st March 2019. Match fund 24,000, that is starting amount. Then receipts, how much receipt? 26,000, that is the income, capital receipt. So we have to add. Then less match expenses during the year 33,000. So how these items appear in the final accounts of the club? Final match fund, which place they can enter? In the balance sheet. Now we can prepare balance sheet. Chennai Tennis Club balance sheet, liabilities, assets. Match fund 24,000 and receipts to the fund. That is, receipt means income to the tennis club. So 26,000. So totally 50,000 less match expenses during the year 33,000. So that amount we come to less. So totally 17,000. In the match fund, 17,000 during the year. Now we start 18th sum. How will the following appear in the final accounts of Karaikudi Sports Club for the year ending 31st March 2019? Sports Club, here tournament fund on 1st April 2018, 90,000. Tournament fund, prize fund, match fund, liability side, balance sheet in the liability side only we can write. Here tournament fund investment means asset. So we have to write it in the asset side only we can write. Tournament fund investment in the balance sheet, asset side only 90,000. Then interest received on in tournament fund investment. Interest tournament fund investment 90,000. That amount they get interest. Interest received on tournament fund investment 9,000. So that amount also included to the tournament fund only. Add to the tournament fund. Then donation to tournament fund 10,000. That also one of the income to the tournament fund. So that can be added to tournament fund. Then less tournament expenses 60,000. Less tournament expenses. First tournament fund 90,000 and interest received on tournament fund investment 9,000 and donation to the tournament fund 10,000 less tournament fund expenses 60,000. What about the tournament fund investment? In the balance sheet, asset side entered. Why we can asset side enter? Investment is also one of the asset. Karaikudi Sports Club balance sheet, liability side, asset side. Here tournament fund 90,000. Then interest received on tournament fund investment. Here tournament fund investment is the asset. So we can enter in the balance sheet of asset side 90,000. But this fund investment we can get an interest. That one we can write it here. And interest received on tournament fund investment 9,000. Add 99,000. Add donation to tournament fund. Some donations also received. So that also we can add. So 99,000 plus 10,000, 109,000 less tournament fund expenses. Tournament expenses 60,000. So 109,000 minus 60,000. So 49,000. Sum number 19. Compute capital fund of Salem Sports Club as on 1/4/2019. Here particulars given. Sports equipment. Sports club sports equipment. So the sports equipment we entered in the balance sheet of asset side. Then computer is also one of the asset. Computer 25,000 in the balance sheet of asset side. Then subscription outstanding for 2018 and 19. Here 1 for 2000 only given. Up 18 and 19 means outstanding. So we can write it in the asset side of balance sheet. Subscription received in advance for 2019-20 8,000. Here received in advance always in the liability side of balance sheet. Price fund in the liability side of balance sheet. Price fund investment, that is investment. So we write it in the asset side of the balance sheet. Cash in hand, cash at bank also in the asset side of the balance sheet. Now we can prepare capital fund. Balance sheet. Here liabilities, assets. Here balance sheet, liabilities, assets. Here price fund investment 10,000. Investment is a asset, so we can write it here. But price fund in Salem Sports Club balance sheet, liability side, asset side. Here price fund investment. Price fund investment is asset, so 10,000 here. Here price fund 10,000. Price fund only. This one price fund investments. Then cash in hand 7,000. Cash at bank 21,000. Sports equipment. Here a sports club. So sports equipment also one of the assets. So 30,000. Then computer is asset 25,000. Subscription outstanding for 2018-19 5,000. Here subscription received in advance. Received in advance in the liability side of balance sheet 8,000. So now this side is more amount. We have to add it. 0, 0, 0, 8, 98,000. 98,000. Here 10,000, 8,000 here. We can find out capital fund only. In the question, capital fund only they can find out. So 80,000. 80,000. Capital fund 80,000. So that's the answer. Here we can write it balancing figure. Balancing figure 80,000. That's all. Thank you.